Good morning, students. Take out your assistive books. Today, we will read chapter first in history, Tracing Changes Through 1,000 Years. The revisions and changes in the knowledge about our world has had significant influence on the science of cartography as well. Maps were drafted differently during different periods of time. The maps of different periods were quite different from each other. As the science of cartography evolved, more accurate versions of the map were made. The cartography of the two periods were significantly different from each other. Okay? जो मैप बनते हैं किसी पीरियड में वो जैसे जैसे टाइम होता है वो मैप थोड़े से डेवलप्ड होते हैं ओके उनमें चेंजेस होते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ यूज ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी over a period of time changes do take place in vocabulary and language used in according with the changes taking place in the social environment. There are historical records in different languages that have changed considerably over the centuries. This happened due to a change in the historical backgrounds in which they were produced. Okay? The term Hindustan bore the meaning of a geographical and cultural entity in the past but did not carry the political and national meaning of the present day. Thus, we historians used certain words. They need to be sensitive about the context in which the information was written in the past. Archaeological excavations are conducted to recover remains of the past. Such remains are used by historians to study our past. Historians explore a variety of objects from the past to gather relevant information. To do this, historian took a various source of information such as monuments, temples, inscriptions, coins, and manuscripts. मॉन्यूमेंट्स टेम्पल्स मैन्यूस्क्रिप्ट्स कॉइन्स इंस्क्रिप्शंस ये सारे सोर्सेस हैं जो हमें हिस्ट्री के बारे में नॉलेज देते हैं फ्रॉम 700 टू 1750 CE. This period, also known as medieval period, in this period saw a dramatic increase in textual records. Thus, these texts become more important than the other source of information used by historians to study this period. During this period, we read about medieval period. Paper gradually become cheap and was widely available. It was used to create manuscripts. A variety of content was written such as holy text, chronicles of rulers, teaching of saint, were collected by wealthy people, rulers, and temples. Today, manuscripts are placed in archives. These manuscripts provide detailed information to historians. They are difficult to use. Let us understand why. Manuscripts were copied by hand as there was no printing press during the medieval period. Medieval period में हिस्ट्री मिडवल पीरियड की जो हिस्ट्री है वो हमें मैन्यूस्क्रिप्ट से नोन होती है क्योंकि मिडवल पीरियड में प्रिंटिंग प्रेस नहीं थी इसलिए पेपर पे ही उस टाइम पीरियड के बारे में लिखा जाता था और ये सारी मैन्यूस्क्रिप्ट जो हैं वो सभी संभाल के रखी गई हैं. Minor different used to chip into the new documents while copying.